Today, we're going to build a ski speeder using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this T-bar, and I'm going to turn the T-bar towards me, and on my right side, I'm going to grab a minifigure ice skate. And I'm going to use this ice skate to be like the cabin or the cockpit where the pilot sits. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that minifigure ski and put it on the side of my T-bar like this. And then on the other side, our left, I'm going to create the guns. And for the guns, I'm going to use a minifigure hand. And what I want to do is the top side of the minifigure hand is a little bit taller, a little bit longer. I'm going to use that side and put it towards the center of my speeder here, and I don't want to put it all the way in. If I put it all the way on, it just looks too short. So what I want to do is actually just want to put it about halfway on that bar. So if I could, you see I got a little space there with my minifigure hand, and it gives me more space on this bar, and it just makes it look longer. And now, if you look at the back of the ski speeder, it's got that tail fin that kind of splits off into 2 pieces. Well, to create that, I'm going to grab a feather piece, and that feather piece has got a nice little pin in it. And if we look at the back of my T-bar, there's a little hole. I'm going to stick that pin into the hole of my T-bar, and I've got the back of my ski speeder, and here is a completed ski speeder for the rebels to hold off the First Order.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.